ang ammo load nito, kung naka-full loaded ang magazine, is 70. 70 rounds.
17.
Okay.
17 shots like that.
Yeah, 70
Okay.
shots. Maraming component ang battery.
Okay.
Ito walang safety grip. Meron siyang safety. Ito yung slide na tinatawag. Ito yung pistol grip. All pistols may safety feature. And one of the safety feature of this is, of course, unloaded siya. No magazine is supposed to be. When you see a gun with a inserted magazine, that is considered loaded. So be careful of that. For you to clear is, i-release mo siya. Yung magazine. Okay, ito yung magazine niya. Itong magazine niya. When you see an inserted magazine inside, dito,
First move.
considered, first thing to do. Kasi meron tayong 4 na basic rule. Considered every gun as loaded.
Yes.
That is rule number 1. Number 2, be sure of your target and what is around it. Trigger finger out of the trigger. Ibig sabihin, if you're not ready to shoot, halimbawa, if you're not ready to shoot, kasi yung picture niya, ito hindi mo makalabit. Pag nakababayan, ready to fire. If you're ready to shoot, don't put your finger dito. This is very sensitive part of the gun. Pag hindi mo ito nakakabit, hindi puputok yung baril. Okay. So, pagka ready to fire kayo, that is, matutok kayo sa target. That's the time na you insert your magazine, your trigger finger. And, pagkakakabitin na yan, tandaan lang, okay, get this lock, may slack, and that is the pre-wear of the trigger before disengage at pumutok siya. Ayan, tutuloy ko That's it. So, this is very sensitive